On to the exercises. Number 1, read in the weather time series dataset and place the date column in the index. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So data/weather. So it tells you which one it is. The date column will be date, and we need to use parse dates because it is a date time column, and then we do weather.head. Okay, so here are the dates. You might want to do .tail to see the end. All right, so it goes from 2007 to 2018. Select all of the month of November 2010. So we'll use .loc, and we can literally just say November 2010. It will select it. Another way of doing it is to do 2000, a little more formal, I guess, is to do it this way. All right. Number 3, select all of the second quarter of 2017. Again, we'll use loc. 2017, say Q2. There we go. Number 4, select data from July 1st, 2015 to the end of 2016. So .loc, we're going to go from 2015, 7/1, that's July, all the way to the end of 2016. We just put 2016 in and it'll go to the very end. Number 5, select just the rain and snow columns from January 1st, 2008 to January 7th, 2008. Okay, so weather.loc, and we'll go from, this time we'll do, just type it in this format. So January 7th, 2008. So that'll select that, but we just want the rain and snow column. So put a comma here, rain, comma, snow. And there we go. All right, number 6, what was the temperature on June 11th, 2011? So we'll just get an exact number. So June 11th, 2011, that's this row, and the column name is temperature. And there we go. Number 7, how many days did it rain during the last 3 months of 2011? Okay, good question, loc. So we're going to get 2011 Q4. That's the last 3 months, the fourth quarter. And we're going to get the rain column. And we will say, we do .value counts. So it rained 23 days in that time period. All right. Number 8, which year had more snow days, 2007 or 2011? Okay. So let's pick 2017, and we want snow, and maybe this time we'll say yes. This is just one way of doing it. And so let me see, what is this? Okay, so there were no snow days in 2011. Let's just make sure that, yeah, so they're all no. That's just another way of doing it. And then 2012, okay, it had 2 snow days. All right, number 9, select every other Thursday. We do the as frequency method. So we have to use the anchored offset. This is every Thursday. They're 7 days apart. So every other Thursday would be like this. We say 2 weeks apart. All right. Number 10, select the first day of every month. Month start, MS. Select every other October 31st or October 1st. Okay, this is a little bit different. So we want our year. We're saying the year start is October 1st. So this is A is for annual. Year start, October. Every other October 1st. All right. Great. All right. So now we're going to look at the temperature data set over here. So this is hourly temperature from many different cities. So notice is an hour component over here. Number 12, select the temperatures for Houston between 3 and 6 p.m. on July 4th, 2014. So df.loc. I'm going to say July 4, 2014 at 3 p.m. And so that was, so df temp, sorry, wrong data frame. And we want to go to 6 p.m. All right, that looks good. And we just want it for Houston. So there we go. Number 13, upsample the result from the previous exercise. So there are entries every 20 minutes. Okay, so we can start off with this. The series does have a frequency method, and we can say 20m. Actually, it's min is the offset alias. You have to look at the offset alias is over here. You can see that it's actually capital T or min for minute. All right, and then 20 minutes. All right, there we go. Linearly interpolate the missing values in the previous examples. We'll just do interpolate, and that will do it. By default, it does a linear interpolation. So this will probably be close to the actual temperature recorded. You know, here it's increasing from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., 1 degree Celsius, 1.5 degrees. So this should give us, you know, some idea of where it was like. Same thing, it increased again over this hour, and then just increased a little bit over this hour. So pretty cool that you can do that. And that is the exercises.